Hello, good evening, candidates. Good evening. Uh, this is for Indian Overseas Bank Scale 1 to 2 interview. I understand Scale 1 to 2 interview is going to be conducted. And if you are a Scale 1 officer who is appearing for interview, I don't have to tell certain things. Many of these things you will be aware of. But what you should do, you must be knowing about your bank. So, whatever important points you can tell about your bank from the angle of IOB Genesis, you please go through what is given here. IOB Genesis. It was founded in 1937. It was founded by him with the main objective of specializing in foreign exchange business in banking to take the bank across the globe. Likewise, you please go through about IOB Genesis. You please go through about the board of directors. Board of directors right now, Mr. Partha Pratim Sengupta is the MD and CEO of the bank. Then you have Ajay Kumar Srivastava, he is the executive director. Then you have Annie George Matthew, she is currently as additional secretary of Government of India Ministry of Finance. She is a director. Deepak Kumar, then Sanjay Ramta, shareholder director, Naveen Prakash Singh. So you know about the directors, then about IOB and society. What are the points given under this? IOB has been committed and involved in various social causes, the most prominent being women empowerment. The most prominent being women empowerment and the Sakti IOB Chidambaram Chettiar Memorial Trust and IOB Promotion to Agricultural Seed Bank. So the objective is to enable women in the lower strata of society to equip themselves with the essential skills of knowledge required for embarking on a career of their choice. So, so you must know about that scheme. Then IOB Promotion of Pulses and Seed Bank is a project in association with MS Swaminathan Research Foundation. What is the objective? You get to know about that also. So then what else we can see under this? The performance highlights. What are the performance highlights of the bank? Presentation to analysts as on June 2020. What are the performance highlights? Financial performance. Performance highlights. What are the performance highlights? The asset quality, gross NPA, how much net NPA, how much GNPA, how much about CASA business, what is the percentage of business. You please get to know about this. You study this in detail. Get to know about this business, CASA business. Then performance highlights like capital adequacy ratio. Right now it is 10.93. Year on year, it has increased by 91 basic points. BPS profitability is now 1412, increase of 124 on year basis. So you must know about the performance highlights. Then financial performance, they give you about net loss, net profit. So you please get to know about that also. Similarly, income, total income last year, this year, total non-interest income last year, this year, total income last year, this year, these figures you know. Similarly, total expenses also. All normally, as an employee or officer, many of us will not go through all these things. But when you want to go for an interview, it is better for you to go through this. Yeah, operating profit, provisions, net profit or net loss. What is the situation? Get to know about that. The cost of deposit has been coming down. Now it is only 4.99 as on June. Yield on advances is 6.75 as against 6.93. Cost to income ratio, net interest margin. So these things you must know. Business performance initiatives, total deposits, how much? In crores. ஒன்று பத்து நூறு ஆயிரம் பத்தாயிரம் லட்சம். That is 2,25,546 crores. Advances 1,31,565 crores. So this is what is given. CD ratio is less, only 58.03. Many banks give more than this. It is okay. Then deposit composition also get to know, but they may not ask much in detail about this. Just to get to know broadly about this. And then what you have to come, then what they will ask you is they will go through your biodata and ask what are the areas you have worked, which sections have you worked, in which section are you more confident. So they will ask you to tell about that. Then they may ask individual questions relating to that section. Then yeah, that is one. And supposing you come to the general banking questions and all, it is available here in SBI Circle Officer's interview guidance. The question can range on RBI, CRR, SLR, base rate, lead bank scheme, a repo rate, reverse repo rate, small banks, payment banks, governors of RBI, deputy governors of RBI, credit policy of RBI, NPA, prompt corrective action, priority sector advances. I am not going to read out all this. This is available in the link I have provided for SBI CBO interview. In that, if you download, this is the last file. So when you, in this I have already told you, you should not only go through the headings, you must be able to make out questions on this. What is this? When is this happened? Why it has happened? Where? Which? Who? How? For example, when we take a SLR, what is SLR? How much is SLR now fixed? When will SLR be raised, SLR be reduced? What is the effect of that? Likewise, you frame videos and sorry, you frame questions and prepare answers for those areas. That will be better as far as this is concerned. And then some new questions that were asked in the previous exam interviews. What are the problems banks are facing? Agriculture related schemes, please tell. What is GST? Is it good or bad? What are about technologies used in banking? What is financial disruption? Likewise. Then, what are the famous personalities of your hometown? What are the services bank offers? As a banker, what should be your responsibility for growth of a bank? Are you aware of the new magnetic chip in ATMs? What is the use of that? Tell me about payment banks and their functions. What should be kept in mind while visiting ATM for security? Tell me the difference between payment bank and NBFC. Tell me the example of payment banks. What have you prepared for the interview? Tell us about foreign exchange. What was your profile? Are you ready to relocate? Tell us about priority sector lending, that is social infrastructure, education, export credit, MSME, agriculture, housing, renewable energy, other weaker sections. Banks are suffering from which major issue? What are the recovery steps of NPA? What is trade deficit? Likewise, how BEAM works on which platform? What is the full form of that unified payment interface? What are the other platforms like UPI? What are negotiable instruments? Likewise, simple questions they can ask, you must be able to answer about that. Then other questions that were asked in the previous interviews are given in another file I have kept in that SBI CBO, that is current state of Indian economy. About current affairs they can ask about corona, how corona has affected your branch, what steps are you taking to come out of that problems, how are you shaping the to make the branch very well. Then about bank correspondence, then about ATMs, are you servicing ATMs, like that. General questions, what is the impact you have made in MSME sectors? These questions they can ask simply. Then about DRI advances, about foreign exchange, what is Nostro, what is Loro, what is Nostro, Vostro, Loro, all these things they can ask. Simple questions. So whatever questions they ask, you be clear about what you have to say and tell correct answer. Don't give guess answers. Supposing you have worked in advanced section, they will ask questions relating to credit officer. Kindly see my video on credit officer interview. That will be helpful for you. There are a lot of things to be told. I will stop with this, but then you go through the materials I have given under SBI CBO interview and watch the videos I have posted for Bank of Maharashtra recruitment, SBI CBO, then bank promotion interviews. Just go through that. See, it is not that you don't know the question, you know the question, but it is difficult for you to explain it. Practice explaining about it. And when you are confident about talking, then you can write to me my email ID that appears in the description column. Then we will fix a date and I will conduct a mock interview for you. I wish all of you best of luck, and you can share this video with your friends, those who may be appearing for interview also, for whom also this will be of great use. Thank you so much. Best wishes.